doing the whole jerky thing. Doing the whole thing with you.
Yo, it's on your show.
What they give you? What they give you? The back. The food. The meat.
Right now, I don't even know. What they give you?
This down here.
Over here to there?
No, this stuff down here.
Oh,
Look at me.
oh, it's the fajitas from the Cabana. Oh, they taste straight. Taco Bell.
Huh?
They taste, the fajitas taste straight like Taco Bell.
Yeah. Where'd you get the food from?
Some dude dropped the house off.
So,
Oh, so that's how they did the wings?
Yeah, the wings, Nah, but he tries to throw a little kick in it, like, you know. He's getting, when he barbecues, he's trying to make everybody happy type stuff, like, you know. And I'm
Dude,
like,
it's
you
about to be a
can't
tornado.
do that, man.
it's gonna be a tornado.
I chopped up, got that taco. You know, my shirt just got 5 or 6.
Oh, yo, there's a tornado outside.
Everybody else is going.
Oh my god, that's real daunting. Oh my god, that's real daunting. Dude, that was really daunting.
It's tripping out here.
Oh.